Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you something that I think it is fantastic. This multimedia and HDMI smart box that this brand sent to me for this video is gonna be a time saver at all times. So, what's gonna happen with this one is that in this case, on this car, on this SUV, we have Android Auto, and by the way, this one is good for both CarPlay and Android Auto for both ones. But in this one, we have Android Auto, but the only way that get Android Auto is connecting my phone with a cable, which it's okay. I get it. We can do it. We can connect an iPhone and get CarPlay with a cable. We can connect the USB-C cable with my Android phone and just like get Android Auto, the maps, the multimedia, YouTube, the apps, messaging, phone, whatever. What this one is gonna do is save you that step. You're gonna connect this one, which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. You're gonna connect this one to the USB-C cable and select CarPlay or Android Auto. And every single time that you stepped into your car after connecting this box, you're not gonna have to connect the cable anymore. You're gonna have your phone right there on your screen every single time, and also HDMI, an HDMI port in case that you want to use this one on your TV, and also you're gonna have every multimedia streaming platform as well. So here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna find the data transfer port. Doesn't matter if it is the data transfer USB-A or USB-C, but you're gonna find that and gonna use any of the cables that you get from the package. You don't need an app, you don't need anything as long as you have CarPlay in your phone or Android Auto in your phone. Once you're done, what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect this one via the USB-C right here. You're gonna just let it be for a few seconds. It's gonna power up, it's gonna turn on, it's gonna kind of like get in touch with the connection in your car and things like that. And once you're done, what you're gonna see is that in this screen, your phone is gonna be mirrored with every single app and also with the Android Auto. So now I had to switch to a voiceover because the car is actually trying to pick up my phone microphone instead of actually the car microphone. So that is why you can see that this one works. So now you see the Android Auto over there. So we're going to click it. And once that we click it, you're going to see every single app. You have the Bluetooth, you have YouTube, you have Netflix, you have your music, you have your contacts. But then when you click to Android Auto, and for sure, we're going to be blurring some of this because I can't show you the maps, but you have the maps, you have your music, you have your phone entirely mirror, you have your messages, you have your own calendar, you have your agenda, you have your contacts, you have everything that you have in your phone, but just having it right there on the screen without the need to connect a cable. So that is really good. And you can even stream, and you can see that you can stream some platforms like Netflix, like YouTube, like everything else, and you don't need a cable, just this tiny box.